very well. And they'll be looking forward to kicking it off very well. It's very quickly in front of a crowd that just enjoys its cricket. Then we move on to Chennai on the 25th. Then Rajkot. There's a lot of big scoring grounds there. Pune on the 31st. And then finish it off Mumbai on the 2nd. Then the ODIs at Nagpur, Cuttack and Ahmedabad. 8 games. India versus England. Nothing to choose between these two teams. It's 13-11. The series are almost back. In India, it's very close together. This game could go anywhere. 13-11 from 24 games. Now at the toss a little while ago, Surya Kumar Yadav won the toss. He decided that
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना.
24 was a mixed year for England. They won 10, lost 5. India were virtually unstoppable. Won 24 and lost just
to shine again.
Arshdeep Singh, 61 matches, 95 wicket. He's a terrific bowler. And he gets the ball to swing. We saw him bowl a little earlier on an adjacent pitch and he was swinging it round corners. Or went the other way. Oh, straight up. Do we have the first wicket already? Yes, we do. Arshdeep Singh has made it a wonderful habit to pick up wickets in the power play. The first ball was bowler short.
Well, that surprised me, I have to say. I mean, I did the pitch report. I mean, easy coming from England. We've only just got here, and you see tinge of green, and it's easy for an Englishman just to say, do you know what, it's going to seem around.
Oh, misfield. Yuzi Chahal, if you're watching this, you've got company. Sitting alone. Last few days there's been very heavy dew here. I've got a theory on why India have gone so spin heavy. Yeah, I was telling you that they do it very differently. So India have gone with 3. Down the ground, didn't take long for Jos Buttler to get in amongst the boundary hitters, the first boundary.
Well, this is what...
Just looking at some numbers from the IPL, Sunny, last year. 7 games here at the Eden Gardens. Pace went at 11 points. Finds the fielder again, but that ball swung in. He'll find the open spaces and will find the boundary too. So a second boundary for Jos Buttler. Well, that's the way Jos Buttler. Very different, as Sunny just said, between April and January. Next season's much more clearly defined. So after 2 overs and 1 ball,
he's a kind of nuggety player, square of the wicket, plays a lot of sweep shots, reverse sweeps, very confident in his own ability. Well, somewhere the scoop eventually lands where a fielder isn't. Well, I said he was full of confidence in his own ability, and if you need evidence of that.
Straight up. It's a good catch. It's an excellent catch because it's coming over his shoulder. He's running backwards. So Arshdeep picks up another and he's now all alone by himself. Most wickets in the power play, 42. Goes past the bat again. Beautifully timed. There's just a square leg and a long leg. All he had to do was place it.
Yeah, and good indication that this is a good surface to bat on as well, because it's...
More runs. Same result. Same area.
I think what Hardik Pandya is trying to do is look to...
Now, it was in the air for a while. And he still finds space. It was short. And I think Buttler's judged exactly what Hardik Pandya was going to do, because he was so ready for... More runs, this time off the pad. Or was it off the bat too? This was off the bat too.
Well, I've said it a number of times. I'll say it one more time.
This time there is a fielder in the deep. Big over.
छोटी गेंद थी, बटलर ऑन साइड में इसे पुल करना चाहते थे, लेकिन बल्ले के बीच
ये तीसरा ओवर है अर्शदीप का।
ये हैं अच्छे टच में नजर आ रहे हैं, जैसा कि हमने पिछले कुछ वर्षों में देखा है। जॉस बटलर को थोड़ा समय लेते हैं शुरुआत।
फिर से छोटी पटकी गेंद। हैरी ब्रुक ने निश्चय किया कि नहीं खेलेंगे।
हैरी ब्रुक जिन
पावर प्ले में ही हवा में थी गेंद, अच्छी
और बटलर काफी देखभाल कर खेल रहे हैं शुरुआती ओवर्स में। और सूर्य कुमार यादव
एक स्लिप के साथ यहां पर स्वीप करने की कोशिश, गेंद थोड़ी सी ऊपर उठी।
इस बार उनके रडार में गेंद जरूर थी, बड़ा शॉट खेलना चाहते थे, लेकिन डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट तो लगभग मिल ही गया। अंदरूनी की
ही है
अपने प्लेइंग 11 में। कदमों का बढ़िया इस्तेमाल, एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से बेहतरीन छक्का हैरी ब्रुक के बल्ले से। थोड़ा सा ज्यादा फ्लाइट किया था अक्षर पटेल ने, और उस इनविटेशन को दोनों
इस्तेमाल। बोल यार। इस बार क्रीज पर रुककर आसानी से खेला है पैड पर।
इस बार बैकफुट से जॉस बटलर का यह पहला छक्का। डीप मिड विकेट और लॉन्ग ऑन के बीच से यह छक्का निकाला है। छोटी गेंद थी, पहले ही बल्लेबाज हैं। बाल बच गए बल्ले से, तो गेंद
इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर कट किया है और किसी तरह बचकर रन बना रहे हैं हैरी ब्रुक। पिछली गेंद पर देखिए,
बोल्ड, क्या बात है, जबरदस्त वापसी यहां पर वरुण चक्रवर्ती की तरफ से। हैरी ब्रुक
जरूर आते हैं और व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट सीरीज है। पहले T20 क्रिकेट है, 5 टी।
याम लिविंगस्टन ने आते ही, और इस बार चारों खाने चित। लिविंगस्टन आए, लिविंगस्टन गए। एक और बल्लेबाज जो वरुण चक्रवर्ती,
जी हां, मिस्ट्री स्पिनर कहा जाता है वरुण चक्रवर्ती को, और एक अच्छा कार्य।
पढ़ना आसान नहीं होगा। 38 मुकाबलों में 56 सफलताएं।
बाहर जाती हुई गेंद काफी ज्यादा चक्रवर्ती के। जॉस बटलर जिन्होंने राजस्थान रॉयल्स के लिए। Another one. Varun Chakravarti is on fire here. He's staying though, is Bethel. Now the fielder will shoot the ball. What a wonderful record at the Eden Gardens, and he's shown that today as well. 3 overs, 2 for 6. At this stage,
Certainly out of 81, scoring 50 himself. The England captain showing.
Quite a smart innings as well from Butler, picking him.
Finds the fielder straight into the hands, and a troubled innings comes to an end for Jacob Bethel.
Jamie Overton, who's been playing in the Big Bash. Good aggressive intent, the best of Josh Butler. He's been a much more aggressive version right from the outset in today's game. beautifully placed this time. Not power, but precision from Butler.
It's again room outside the off stump from Bishop.
सीधा हवा में, बहुत ऊंची है ये गेंद और फील्डर उसके नीचे आते हुए नीतीश रेड्डी कमाल के फील्डर हैं, बहुत कम गलती करते हैं और इस बार भी कोई गलती नहीं की। उसके अलावा भारतीय गेंदबाजों का बोलबाला रहा है दारोमदार,
जो भारतीयों के जहन में बसे हुए हैं कोलकाता के,
जिसे जी बिल्कुल सही।
और कैसे विकेट बच गया, ये अक्सर पटेल को समझ में नहीं आया।
ले हैं आखिरी गेंद, यहां पर विकेट अक्षर पटेल के खाते में, छकाया एक बार।
आईपीएल में कुछ धमाका इन्होंने किया था बल्ले
पर वरुण चक्रवर्ती और बैक ऑफ लेन गेंद थी, उसे उछालकर सीधा ग्राउंड के बाहर पटक दिया है। आसान शॉट ये जॉस पर।
एक और प्रहार, फील्डर वहां पर है क्या? जी हां, धंसाया जाल में वरुण चक्रवर्ती ने। पहली छोटी बॉल पर छक्का लगा, दूसरी छोटी बॉल डालने से गुरे सफलताएं।
He's placed that beautifully. Valuable runs, but also showing the depth in this English batting side. Just a single. He's been magnificent today. 4 overs, 2 for 70. Just lucky, but they all count. Straight up, should be taken. The captain takes it, and England lose another. Jofra Archer, the man out. Swings, misses, run out. Sanju Samson underarms it and everyone will run back, and England have finished on 132. On most days that's insufficient. England's bowlers have a huge job ahead of them. They use up all their resources, England. Bangladesh. Right, England, they've got the bowling. 6-7 bowling options. And I just wonder whether they look at what India have done. Maybe go to Rashid early, maybe look at Bethel, maybe look at Livingston.
I don't think so. Obviously, he's an option, but I don't think I haven't.
And it's full.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Sometimes.
A single to round it off. Sanju Samson's off the mark. India in international cricket as a test player. And this will be the first boundary. Just a bit short. And Sanju Samson swivels, plays it behind square. Finds the gap. That is a gorgeous shot. Oh, he was ready for it. This is as good as any you will see, and Sanju Samson is now starting to turn it on here at the Eden Gardens. Fine, that'll run away to the boundary as well. The fielders like every... Now through the offside for Abhishek Sharma. Stays beside the line, lets his bat swing free. Through the line once again. I'm not sure it was such a bad ball, but I'll tell you the timing on that was fantastic.
Yeah, wonderful batting.
अपने लिए और अपने
ठीक इसी तरह छोटी गेंद उसे पटक दिया, लेकिन इस बार ज्यादा दूर नहीं खेल पाए, सीधा फील्डर के हाथों में। आसान कैच
सूर्या की
है, उन्होंने हवा में बहुत ऊंची विशाल का शॉट, लेकिन ज्यादा दूर नहीं, सीधा फिल सॉल्ट के दस्तानों में, और एक ही ओवर में दूसरा तक लगाए। देखिए 22।
बढ़िया शॉट, पिकअप शॉट खेला है। दूसरा छक्का अभिषेक शर्मा के बल्ले से, और इस बार मार्क वुड के पेस का भरपूर इस्तेमाल किया। इस बार गेंदबाज के सर के ऊपर से एक और चौका होना चाहिए। जी हां, 4 रन मार्क वुड ने पहले ओवर।
मौका बना रहे थे वो बना, और इस बार नहीं बनेगा। इस बार अभिषेक शर्मा का मौका, एक बार फिर इस बार सीधा मारा है ये शॉट और परिणाम वही रहेगा, एक और छक्का। 8 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 83 पे।
एक और छोटी गेंद, क्या वहां पर फाइन लेग का खिलाड़ी मिलेगा? जी नहीं, इस छक्के के साथ अपना अर्धशतक पूरा किया अभिषेक शर्मा ने, और एक अलग अनूठा निराला अंदाज सेलिब्रेशन का।
Beautiful. Now there's beauty in the 6, but I think there's just as much beauty in this cover drive.
And a lot of elegance.
And piece of field right mid off. This is a stunning shot. I don't think it was more than a couple of yards to his left, but the timing and the power was out.
Oh, another glorious shot. Just such a lovely bat swing. Rashid can only smile, but this is glorious batting. So this is taken. Just looking to finish it off with a 6, finish it off in style. Oh, that's gone. Top edge. It's done, dusted, game 1. And India